Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to sign VBA macros with SignTool and troubleshoot the issues. So, let's start. To sign VBA macros with SignTool, you need Code Sign Certificate. It could be self-signed or from any third-party certification authority. Then, you need Windows SDK, which contains SignTool that we will use to sign the VBA macros. Third, we need Microsoft Office Subject Interface packages for digitally signing VBA projects, which generally allows SignTool to read VBA Macros Excel files. And fourth, we need C++ runtime libraries. I already have it installed as I am also using Visual Studio in my laptop, so it's all bundled. Now, as I already have my code sign certificate, and I believe you should be having too, let's see now how you can download SignTool Windows SDK. So just go to Google and type Windows SDK SignTool download. And open the Microsoft article for SignTool. Go through the page to know about SignTool and its functions for signing and parameters with command to sign the applications. Once that is done, click on the link to download Windows SDK and download installer or installed ISO to run it directly. I have given the link to download SignTool in the video description. Now let's navigate to SignTool folder to open in command prompt and begin the signing process. SignTool lies under C drive, Program Files. Under Program Files, looks for Windows Kits folder and open it. If you have multiple versions, then select the SignTool version as per your choice and go to bin folder. You may now see multiple version 10 SDK available. Once you open the desired SignTool version folder, you must select x86, which is for 32 bits applications, which supports VBA macros. Open the bin folder.th and copy the folder path. And open command prompt in admin mode. Now type cd, which stands for change directory, and paste the directory path to go to SignTool location. Make sure you are administrator mode, or if your VBA macros are in different location, then you can open user command prompt also. Now let's copy the SignTool command to sign the XLSM and XLSB files, which is for VBA Macros file. I will put all the command and parameters in video description. If you see, I have used a parameter to automatically assign the certificate. Let's go to run and open MMC user store and see my code sign certificate. Here's my self-sign code sign certificate. You can check out my previous video on how to create self-sign code sign certificate. This is just for the testing purpose, so it will not be trusted. If you need a trusted code sign certificate, then please contact any certificate authority and get the certificate files. Now I'll remove the parameter and put common name of the certificate to force SignTool to select my specific certificate. There might be some case when you sign the file, it might get signed from different certificate. That happens when you have set automatic parameter and you have multiple certificates, so SignTool selects any code sign certificate to sign the application. Now we will force it use our certificate. And let's put common name of our certificate the command and change the file type to XLSB. So I will show you how to sign both the files with both the commands, one with automatic parameter and one with specific common name to choose certificate. As I only have one code sign certificate, so automatic parameter will also work just fine. Let's prepare the command to sign our XLSB file too. Now let's copy our first command and try to sign the file, and let's see if we get any error or not. Yes, we got the error that this file format cannot be signed because it is not recognized by SignTool. Now, let's run the second command also and see if we get the same error or not. We should get the same error in XLSB format as well. Yes, we got the same error again. Let's see how to fix it. Go to Google and look for Microsoft Office Subject Interface packages for digitally signing VBA projects. Open the first article and click on Download button to download the package. Once it has been downloaded, double-click on the file to install it. Choose any directory where you want this file to be installed. I am choosing my desktop SignTool test folder to install it. Now let's see our folder and see if package is installed in SignTool folder or not. So it is installed here. Let's open the README file and go through the prerequisite. You can see, if we install the package, so it will SignTool to recognize the mentioned file formats. So we need to install MSOSIP and MSOSIPX packages in registry. We need to register in registry. We need to run regs via32 command to register the package. We need to go to the SignTool test folder, where we installed the zip package. Now, let's go back to the SignTool folder to run SignTool signing command. If you see now, our VBA macros is signed. Let's use the verify command to verify the signature. I am getting chain error as my certificate is self-signed. So to see the certificate we need to use verbose, and in order for your file to verify properly you need to include the PA switch, so that SignTool uses the default authentication verification policy. You can see my self-signed common name. As I have used timestamp also to ensure my signed file is valid for very long time. If you encounter trust error then for trusted certificate, please contact any certification authority to buy the certificate. Now, let's sign the XLSB file and see if that is working or not. So, XLSB file has been successfully signed. So now let's verify the file and see the signing certificate and timestamp details. If you are unable to sign the file getting any error regarding object but the file recognize error has been resolved, then it could be due to C++ runtime package. You can check the readme file and download the package. I will put the link in video description. This file is already installed so I do not need to install it again. C++ runtime is already installed, so I won't proceed to install it again. Once files are signed successfully, there is two ways to verify it. One is to verify using SignTool. Second is to open VBA project and under Developer Tools, you can see the digital signatures. I have attached steps in video description for you to follow. Once file is opened in Excel, go to Developers tab. Click on Visual Basic and go to Tools. Under Tools, click on Digital Signature and click on Detail to see the certificate details. So this way we can also verify signatures of VBA macros. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know in comments if you are facing any issue. See you in another video.